Alright, so it's cold, kind of wet, and I hurt my ankle, so I'm just going to do a bike check because I got a lot of new parts. So, alright, here we go. I'm running ODI long necks, teal colored, and the ODI bar ends, they don't have like the white ones anymore, I don't know. Anyway, got S&M RV bars. I like them, 8-inch rise. I don't know the width, I don't really care, so. Stock Mirko stem. I've had it for like a year and a half now. I don't really, stem is a stem to me, I don't really care that much. Front wheel is proper, stock, and the back one is the same, 9-tooth cassette, and or 9-tooth driver, whatever. Shadow Voltus forks, Aaron Ross tires, tanwalls, gland, G-Sport gland hub guard, some random peg in the front, I don't know, whatever. Twisted PCs in teal. Doesn't really match the sprocket, but I really don't care. Sprocket is the Eclat Sylar in teal. Stolen mob cranks. They're alright. I mean, they're pretty cheap. I just got them. Or I mean, I had them for a while, but they're alright. Let's see. Profile cone washers. Just some random chain. I don't know. I got it from a bike shop a while ago. Yeah, I usually have a peg on, but I didn't feel like putting it on. Usually it's a Shadow hub guard and some random Mirko peg. I don't know, whatever. And then my frame is the Colt OS 20.75. I don't know how much it weighs. I don't really care that much. Primo seat, I've had it for like a year and a half. I like it. Eastern nitrous seat post. I don't know why it's slammed like that. I think that's it. Yeah, it's pretty quick, but it's just kind of cold and hurt my ankle, so whatever, that's it. This video is on my being shot on my iPhone 4, so there should be an edit filmed all with the iPhone 4, so I guess just watch for that. Alright, that's it.